Hey, someone gifted you Walmart gift card. Your company gave you Walmart gift card as compensation, but you don't want to use them for shopping. Wanna have cash for that? If yes, then this video I made just for you. Because in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to turn Walmart gift cards into cash. This cash you can use anywhere you want, instead of using Walmart gift cards just for Walmart shopping.
This is Paxful.com, which we're gonna use to turn Walmart gift cards into cash. If you didn't sign up before, then please check out the link from the video description below to sign up.
Let me explain how we're gonna do it. First step is we will buy Bitcoin, Ethereum or USDT with Walmart gift cards. Second step is we will sell those Bitcoin, Ethereum or USDT to receive amount in bank, which you will be able to withdraw as cash through ATM. Both steps we can do here on Paxful.com. Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT are the most trusted and secure cryptocurrencies. We can use any one of them to buy through Walmart gift cards and then sell it to crypto buyers over here. Before walking it, I want to request all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then please smash subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest uploads from our channel.
I'm gonna show you with Bitcoin. Click dashboard, then classic dashboard. Click buy. Here we can select what we wanna buy. Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT. Bitcoin is fine. Now this is important. Select pay via Walmart gift cards. Write Walmart gift card over here because you're gonna sell your Walmart gift cards to buy Bitcoin. Select currency if you like specific one. I'm gonna select USD. Here you can select what type of Walmart gift card you have. E-gift card or physical gift cards. Now make sure to enable Paxful verified offers only. Click find offers. Here we can see offers. Make sure to sort offers lowest to highest.
Here is one thing, that is they will never accept your gift card at same price. Like if you have $100 gift card and you want to sell it here, then they will pay you less for that. Maybe $10 less, $20 less, etc.
This offer is already ended. This one also ended. Scroll down and find more offers on this page. Look at this offer. This offer is available. Click buy Bitcoin. Now write the gift card amount in I will pay section. Before purchasing or going ahead with his offer, make sure to check his offer details, terms and conditions. Like he's gonna sell you Bitcoin at this price, which you can see here. Here's his offer buy limits. You must have minimum $350 worth Walmart gift cards if you want to buy Bitcoin with this offer. If you have less amount of Walmart gift cards, then leave this offer and wait for other offers. When they are available, then just go ahead to use them. This is trade time limit. Here's Paxful fee 0%. Make sure to read offer terms. If you send gift cards from another country, you will lose the funds. Only gift cards from the United States are accepted. I hope that confirms how important it is to read offer term, right? Let's suppose we have 400 USD worth Walmart gift cards. So write it here. You will get 200 USD worth of Bitcoin. I know it's almost half of the money, but this is how it works with verified offers. You can wait for better offers if you don't like this type of offers. Or you can go for non-verified offers. Those sellers has good selling history and feedback. Click buy now to start trade with this seller. Make sure to send your Bitcoin wallet address rightly. To copy Bitcoin wallet address, open wallet in new tab like that. Now under Bitcoin section, click receive. This is my Bitcoin wallet address. Click copy address. Just send it to the seller by pasting it in message box, which will appear when you will start trade. Now suppose you got Bitcoin balance against your Walmart gift cards. This is the time when you have to sell your Bitcoin balance to get money in your bank, and then you can get cash through ATM. Click sell. Click sell Bitcoin to search for offers. Now select get paid via bank transfer. Click bank transfer. Select USD currency. Enable Paxful verified offers only. Click find offers. That's amazing. Make sure to select highest to lowest because we wanna sell our Bitcoin in high price to maximize our Walmart gift cards worth. Click sell Bitcoin. Read offer details, start your trade and get money in your bank. Then obviously use it for anything you want in form of cash.
I wish and hope you guys did like this informative how-to video. If yes, then please hit the like button, smash subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. If you do have any questions, then please reach out to me on Instagram. I will definitely reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. Take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.